Let's solve a problem involving set notation and factors. We want to express the set B, which contains all factors of 28 using roster notation. To find all the factors of 28, we need to find all numbers that divide evenly into 28. In other words, we're looking for pairs of numbers that multiply together to give us 28. Let's start finding these pairs systematically. We'll start with 1 and work our way up. First, 1 times 28 equals 28. Next, 2 times 14 equals 28. And finally, 4 times 7 equals 28. Now that we have all the multiplication pairs, let's collect all the unique factors. From the first pair, we get 1 and 28. From the second pair, we get 2 and 14. And from the third pair, we get 4 and 7. Now we can write our final answer in roster notation. Set B equals the set containing 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28. Notice that we've written these numbers in ascending order, which is the conventional way to write sets in roster notation. To verify our answer, we can check that each of these numbers divides evenly into 28 and that we haven't missed any factors. We found all possible pairs of numbers that multiply to give us 28, so we can be confident that this is the complete set of factors. And that's how we express the set of all factors of 28 using roster notation. Remember to always check your work by verifying that each number in your set is actually a factor and that you haven't missed any factors.